Today we're super excited to be announcing Cellular. Cellular is a new approach to in-building connectivity. Typically, DAS systems are super big and expensive and take months or years to implement. Our solution at Meter is we are basically creating a device which installs as easy as a Wi-Fi access point. It's put up onto the ceiling and provides you 5 bars of seamless coverage from your existing carrier. There's no additional settings to configure, and all phones manufactured in the last 5 years support the CBRS and Meter Cellular. We're super excited to be sharing it with everyone today, and it is priced the same as our network pricing, billed separately, but by the square foot per month. Neutral host CBRS. CBRS is the frequency at which the signal is broadcasting, right? So it's 3.5 gigahertz, released by the FCC about 5 years ago. The neutral host piece is we're partnering with the cell carriers to basically broadcast their signal over that CBRS frequency inside of your buildings on Meter equipment. So basically, they're allowing us to extend their signal, their coverage to all of their customers in their building, and it is a really great partnership with the carriers, and it's a brand new model, and we're really excited about it.